Do you have a wood or laminate floor with open joints, chips, or cracks? Then you're not going to want to miss this next video. Today on Jones Knows, I'll show you 2 easy ways to fix all your flooring problems.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
First method here we're going to use to fix 2 really rough joints. Customer didn't have enough of the actual flooring, so we had to make our own ends to the boards, and with laminate, factory edges are the best. So we're going to go ahead and fill these 2 joints first with a caulking. We're using cedar tan. Unfortunately, we don't have a filler that's going to look that great, so we're going to go with the closest one we have, which is the cedar tan. We put that in the joint, and then we use good old-fashioned sawdust. Yep, you heard me right, sawdust. We put that over the wet cedar tan, and as you can see, the results are amazing. It blends right in, and you can no longer see those open joints. This works great on cracks, chips, all kind of problems you may have with pieces of flooring missing. I use this mainly on real wood floors. If I'm doing a really unusual species of wood and they don't make a filler to match the floor, I'll use the sawdust mixed with a little glue, and that always does the job. Stay tuned for our second hack or method to fix flooring. I'm pointing at a really bad chip in this laminate board, and to repair it I'm going to use a wax stick. This kit right here I got at one of the local home improvement stores. They usually sell all different types. Minwax makes some wax, various manufacturers make these wax or crayons, and they're fairly easy to work with. The trick is finding a color that matches perfectly. In the case here, this floor was in between 2 colors, so I actually mixed 2 colors of wax together to get the color that was going to match the floor the best. I tried it just using the first color straight, and it was just a little bit light, so I determined that the only way that I was going to be happy with getting a color that matched perfectly was going to be to mix these 2 colors together. I will say it's not too easy to mix these colors together. They call them soft wax, but they're actually pretty hard, and it takes quite a bit of effort to properly blend them. You know, of course you can push them together like a ball of wax, but until you blend them and really mix them, you won't get that consistent color. So once we get it formed, we put it over the flooring, and I take the excess and I cut it off with my razor knife. You'll want to go over it a couple different times. I wasn't happy, so I added some more, and then of course I'll go over it again with my knife. Keep adding. You want it to be flush. You don't want any indentation or dipping at all in it. You want it to be perfectly flush to the floor. Once you get it flush, you're going to want to wipe off all the excess with a spackle knife or your fingernail or a rag, and you're going to be set then. They're fairly hard products. I've never had them pull out or come out once they're in place. The key is pressing it in all the way and getting it really firm and pushed deep into the product, and then to make it look good, like I said, you just need to have it flush. You don't want any indentations or dips. We'll take a step back and look at the product from above. It looks great. I'm really happy with how it came out. If you love this video and you want to see others like it on installing flooring, repairing flooring, plus our travel videos, please subscribe. Also, if you're in the market for a new floor, stop. Don't waste thousands of dollars. You're going to want to see our flooring reviews. We break down and review the strengths and weaknesses of today's most popular flooring products, from vinyl to laminate to wood. I'm going to review them all, some of the leading brands. So be sure to tune in to our upcoming review videos. Smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be